Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps on how to start a brand new conversation on the X app. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking for a quick refresher, this guide will help you get connected with someone in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Once you're in, you'll notice several icons along the bottom menu bar. To move toward your messages, look for the message icon. It usually looks like an envelope or chat bubble. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, you'll be taken to your inbox, where you can see all the conversations you've had so far. But since we're focusing on starting something new, you'll want to look for the option that says New Message. Tap on it, and you'll be ready to begin. At this point, the app will ask you to search for the person you'd like to message. You can type in their username or select someone from your suggested contacts. Once you find the right person, tap their name to add them to the conversation. If you'd like to message multiple people at once, you can select more than one contact before moving on. After that, you'll see the chat screen open up. Here's where you can type your message, add emojis, send pictures, or even include links if that's what you need. When you're ready, just tap the send button, and your conversation officially begins. And that's it. Starting a new conversation on X really is that quick and easy. Open the app, tap on the message icon, start a new message, choose your contact, and send your first words. A few simple steps, and you're already connected. So the next time you're ready to reach out to a new friend, colleague, or even start a group chat, you'll know exactly how to do it. Try it out and see how effortless it feels to keep the conversation going on X. Thanks for watching.